Buying a property is not only financial decision, it's an emotional decision as well. Whether you're buying property for yourself or for investment, you should be following some important steps, which I'm gonna tell you in this video. My name is Fayos, I'm Dubai real estate coach. I'm not an agent, I'm not here to sell you projects. My main goal here in this YouTube channel to guide you through Dubai real estate market so you can make independent and smart property decisions. So let's get straight into it. Step number one, identify your purpose. This is one of the toughest parts in property purchase.
Toughest.
Not only in Dubai, but everywhere. If you're buying the property, you should know the purpose. You already know your purpose. You already ask yourself, why am I buying this property? Is it for investment or is it for end use? If the answer is for investment, there are some factors you should be considering further. Number one, location. Understand which area will give you the highest return on investment. Secondly, appreciation. Appreciation is one of the main parts of property investment as well. You should plan your exit before buying your property. Service charge. This is the most important thing as well, because I met a lot of buyers. There are lots of buyers, they never ask about service charge. This is going to affect to your return on investment. Next one is building condition. Don't make a mistake. Don't think that older building, which is going to be cheaper, is going to give you the same rental return which you can get from the newer building. It doesn't work like that. So even if you have two buildings next to each other, older building will have always lower return on investment. The last one is infrastructure and amenities. This is one of the most important things. If you're buying the property for investment, you should be thinking about your ideal tenants. What is your ideal tenant is doing, where he wants to live, what kind of amenities he wants to have, and where he wants to be close to. So you should be thinking as a tenant and find a property which meets to those expectations. If you're buying property for yourself, there are some factors you should be following as well. Number one, location. Location is one of the most important parts of property purchase because Dubai is huge and there are lots of communities, and you should be choosing the community according to your requirements. So you have to visit every single community, which is going to be great fit for you, and you have to check nearby schools, nearby hospitals, nearby kindergartens. If you have a family over there, you have to check out some parks and other amenities and facilities of the community, and you have to imagine yourself living there. Second, appreciation. Even if you are end user, you have to think about your future as well. You have to think about future appreciation. Because even if you're living in the apartment, you don't want to sell the apartment with a loss, right? You have to sell with a profit, as in my opinion, every end user is an investor. So everyone will think about future exit, at least potentially to make some profit from this property. Third is budget. If you're buying secondary market property, which is ready property, please make sure to add extra 6 to 7% on top of the purchase price, because there is going to be 4% DLD, agency fee, and extra expenses for the transfer. If you want step-by-step guide how to buy property here in Dubai, I will leave the link in the description so you can go ahead and watch my video. Step number two, property search and shortlisting. This is the fun part of searching property here in Dubai, but anyway, many buyers make mistake. They simply go to the property portals and scroll and fall in love with the picture, but it's a wrong way to do. Property portals is only to get an idea about the prices and availability. But you have to use property portals to find a community expert which is gonna give you proper information about the community. Work with a trusted broker who is a community expert in the area, who knows everything about the area and who can give you the most amount of value rather than other agents. You have to visit as much communities as possible. You should see everything around. You should check the community. You should check the amenities in the community. What do you have parks around? Can you walk around? If you really like sport, do you have gyms around? Even don't tell your agent, just go to the community, just go around, go to the park, go to the restaurant, try to be there, try to live there, try going with your family and understand the vibe if it's gonna be good for you.